Good day, everyone. So since we have a disruption of classes, we will still continue with our discussion, and you will still continue with your work by working on the Google form that we have started last meeting. So let me review how to create a mail merge using a simple mail merge from our website. So let's go back to the website, and from our meeting using simple mail merge, I demonstrated how to create a mail merge. But for the purpose of those who are absent, and if you want to review how to create a mail merge, I'm doing this video. So to create a mail merge, basically what we need to have, there are three requirements. So basically, what we need are the data source. Okay, you have the data source using Google Sheet containing the name, email, address, and other data that you want to give to the recipient. And then a template. And for this discussion, for the simple mail merge, we'll use Gmail to create our template of our email. And then we need an add-on that will perform the mail merge. For this one, this is an add-on of Google Sheet, and the name of the add-on is yet another mail merge. So let's have now our data sheet. So we have here our data sheet. So we have timestamp, email, and other columns that I have hidden, and name, last name, nickname, and the URL for those who submitted the Google Forms with email attachment. So I'll be checking that on that later. I'll give you an update on that. So this is a simple data source. So we have the first requirement. The second requirement is the template. So for example, I'd like to inform everyone how to create a mail merge, and that I have acknowledged your submission. So I will create a template using Gmail. So I'll click compose, and then let me make my screen bigger. Okay, so let me make my screen bigger so you can see it clearly how to perform the mail merge. So first thing, so we will compose our email, and then the subject will be, let's say, your Google form. Okay, and then let's say I'd like to put your name. I'll just make use of two less than sign and two greater than sign. So this will be replaced by the actual data coming from the data source, which is from this spreadsheet. So for example, I'd like to put your name as part of the subject. So I'll just copy the column heading, which is column E. Take note, the first row will be the name of the field. So I'll go back to my uh, template and then paste that particular field. So let's say I'd like to make it personalized. So hello, let's say hello, and then the actual name. So, or since it's a body of the email, I'd like to put your nickname. So I'll click copy, I'll click the nickname, and then go back to the body of the document and then put the name there. So you have successfully submitted submitted your Google form URL last, and then I'll put here the timestamp. So I'll copy this one and I'll copy it here. So, and then let me put other information. For example, please make sure to work on the Google form, and then let's say we're in. So I'm giving you reminders. Wherein you need to do the following. So let's say the first one will be set up. Okay, so set up the Google Google Sheet that uses the add-on Autocrat to give confirmation email to respondents. Respondents of the form. Okay. So let me correct this one. So let me delete the other the. And then we'll have uh, follow steps in the dialog box. Let's say I want to give you this email. So let's say if you have any question, let me know by leaving comments on the video, and it will be your participation in our discussion. Okay, so let's say I have here the actual template. So we have the name. I make use of your complete name, and then your nickname, and then the URL that you have submitted. Now, so we have the first requirement, which is the data source. The second requirement is the template. And the third requirement will be the add-on YAM. So I have installed the add-on YAM. So I'll just click on add-ons and then scroll down and look for yet another mail merge. And then I'll just click start mail merge. Okay. So now the first thing that it will ask me to do is basically identify the template of the mail merge. So here it is. So to identify the mail merge template, all I need to do is click on, let's go back to the email, and then take note your Google form and then followed by your name. So that is the subject, which will be my template. So email template will be your Google form. So there you go. I'll just click it. And then if you notice, it will send to everyone. So click send 47 emails, and then everyone will receive a notification. Okay? So basically, that's how you create a simple mail merge. So for those who forgot how to perform mail merge, that is how you do the simple mail merge using YAM. So you have submitted, for those who submitted their research about mail merge, so you should have filled out this form, and then again the requirements, and then your activity. Okay, I think we're all done with this one, but for the purpose of discussion, I'm repeating the demonstration so you don't forget. Now, the next part will be the Google form that you have submitted. I am expecting that you will, so here it goes. So everyone already receive an email coming from me. So make sure that your form, so let me give an example. Let me pick up a form. Make sure that your form, if you're asking for an email address, I will check it this way. So if I type Gary Garcia without really putting the at gmail.com, this field should be properly set up. So it should not accept the username only, but it should validate the response. So please work on the form wherein it should not accept a value that is not a valid one. So in this case, this is a username. So it should give me an error message that it must be a valid email. So now this is just an example. So please work on your form, and I will be checking it on Saturday. So everyone should be finished before Saturday. Okay. So for now, if you have a question, please let me know by leaving a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you will be updated with all the videos that we will be using for class, and you will get that will serve as your participation in class. So if you have question, just make sure to leave or email me back. Good day.